Bekukumbikhulu ekorweni yezemisebenzi eminyakeni emibili edlulileko. Abanye balahlekelwe imisebenzi, ukube abanye solo abakasebenzi. Izazi zemisebenzi zithi akufanele ukuthi kube ikhuru kahulumende kwaphela ukuvula amathuba wemisebenzi.
I have always argued that it cannot be the public sector or the government's role to try and create employment. At most, it can facilitate an environment that enables employment creation. However, the private sector has to come on board.
Abafunela umsebenzi bathi phose kulu yenziwa babantu kubeka ithemba enkampanini ezifunela umsebenzi ukuthi zizabafunela umsebenzi. Batsho akubi njalo.
A lot of job seekers have a misunderstanding that recruitment agencies are there to help them to find a job. We don't do that. We help companies to find people. So most job seekers are phoning agencies and saying, look, do you have a vacancy? And we don't. And obviously that job seeker then gets demotivated.
Abantu abafolako bathi bafole badiniwe kodwa nabasabuyela.
Ngifundazama futhi for umsebenzi. Zokhona ukuthi ngithole umsebenzi. Ngoba phela kunizama umsebenzi awutholakala ngasikhaya umsebenzi awusekho manje futhi nanoma ukuthi vele ukhona umsebenzi abantu banomsebenzi wabo abantu vele kule kwezinye indawo banabantu babo vele
uyazama ukuthi ufuna imali uyoboleka uthathe yona le yesinkwa yabantwana ukuthi uhambe uyofaka lapha iCV mawufika lapho bathi shiyana ama CV la ushiya iCV lapho sizonifonela banganifoneli.
Abantu abafuna umsebenzi balembuso nokuthi bangowathathela ehloko ama-CV bawalungise akhambisana netechnology. Isibalo sabantu abangasebenziko enarheni lesisuke ku 34.9% ekoteni yesithathu yomnyaka ophelileko.